Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the functional groups. The molecule contains two ketone, C is equal to O, groups, making it a dione. Moving on to the next step. Count the carbon chain. Starting from the left, CH3, C1, C is equal to O, C2, CH, C3, CH, C4, CH2, C5, C is equal to O, C6, CH3, C7. This gives a 7-carbon chain, so the parent chain is heptane. Moving on to the next step. Identify substituents. At C3 there is a methyl branch, and at C4 there is a methyl branch, giving 3,4-dimethyl substitution. And for the final step, locate the ketone groups. The carbonyl groups are at C2 and C6, so the compound is a 2,6-dione. Combine the name. Parent chain is equal to heptane, substituents is equal to 3,4-dimethyl, functional groups is equal to 2,6-dione. Full IUPAC name is equal to 3,4-dimethyl heptane 2,6-dione. Verify numbering gives lowest locants. Numbering from the other end would place carbonyls at C2 and C6 as well, symmetric in locant set, but the methyl groups would be at C4 and C5 giving 4,5-dimethyl heptane 2,6-dione. Comparing locant sets 2, 3, 4, 6 versus 2, 4, 5, 6 at the first point of difference 3, 4, so the first numbering 3,4-dimethyl heptane 2,6-dione is correct. Therefore, the correct answer is 3,4-dimethyl heptane 2,6-dione. The correct answer is shown on screen.